Streets are all out war, this bitch are all out whore. Chasing money in my sleep, you can hear it when I snore. Fuck the other side, them niggas hate it when I score. I put water on that girl, I have to open up her pores. Bitch, open up. Man, I know them niggas hate when I record. I'm just more than up with Trisha, they just had a baby boy. Fuck the bitch and then I went and hit her sister, she was born. That way that I be ramming shit, you would've thought I had some horns. And you say that nigga who? I walk around this bitch like hordes. My little niggas in the field, just like children of the corn. Playing crazy, then you better go get ready for extortion. Rhyme with Big Chop, I'm scared of this bitch too, bro, on North. Why you snort so many pills, bitch, you supposed to took a Porsche. How you get all of that gold in your mouth like you from Florida? I was trapping like Diego in some black Diodore. On my rest like Don, the been peeped in the con. I'm a motherfucker, bro, I probably fucked your mom. I the presidential suite, getting higher than the mountain. There was so many numbers, I can go be in the county. He pop pills like a pimple, I made G's out of rentals. Pockets full with Deadpool, if you know I ain't Ryan Reynolds. Round like it's Halloween, I'm passing out Skittles. Bitch got a sweet tooth, she keep calling, tryna get a cut filled with red surf. Look like Mr. Kool-Aid, playing crazy, then we on your top like a toupee. They can't get me, but I think they trying to, they play charades. Got crazy hoes like Day-Day, everything grade A. I just dipped this purple lean on this leaf cause it's a grape. Caught the bitch sister over cause she text me back late. I'm surprised I beat her pussy down for an hour straight. After that I disappeared, she called me blocked every day. You ever heard of Vonni Bandz? He a legend in the make. Touche, bro, I finally brought a pound with no shake. Bro, I bought the shit to sell, but I'ma smoke it anyway. Busted open, it smell great, look like a box of Frosted Flakes. I'm a heartbreaker baker trying to get your heart away. Just stay over there with dude before I tell them you a J. When they know that you that nigga, they gon' fuck you anyway. But my only occupation is to go and get the pay. You won't see me in no clubs, I'm too motherfucking busy. I'm probably in the streets or with my kids watching Blippi. If it's not concerning money, I'ma spin you till you dizzy. We got chopping spears on them hoes just like Britney Spears. Know what the fuck going on, nigga? Turn me up, this Bandz. Turn me up.